Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I've just got on a train down to Camborne because I am going to be charity shopping. Is it raining today? Yes, so I have a cap. I figured, right, do you know what? I always get the best luck charity shopping when it's really unexpected. I don't have a coat, it's raining, nobody's out, and I just think that's going to be my lucky omen. So that's what we're going to do today, go charity shopping. I should apologise for obviously not being online for the past couple of weeks. I have no excuse for it other than the fact that I was a bit ill and I broke another tooth. How annoying is that? So it is what it is, but I am here today. I thought I'd bring out my camera with me and we'll go on a little adventure together. So I am actually originally from Camborne, so I know where all the good charity shops are. I know where the bargains are, you know, and it's always fun coming back here. I end up bumping into so many people that I know and it's almost like a blooming reunion coming here. So wish me luck and yeah, let's go see if we can find any bargains. Turns out there's a load of works going on, but I got myself a Dr. Pepper cream as well. Look at that. The first charity shop I went to go to was actually shut, so we have got British Heart Foundation here. I know last time I went in the door like there was a really weird experience with a man, so let's hope for the best. So I'm just gonna have a quick drink. Okay, he's not here. Let's see what we can find. This kind of matches my little cap, doesn't it, actually? It's not quite camo, but it may as well be. Anyway, he's here. Okay, we're organised. We've got strappy tops. Let's have a little look. Size organised, I like that. I like these dividers, appreciate those. Pretty little top though, nice for summer. A little coffee owl. Loads of dresses in here as well, like summer dresses. The dresses are something that I don't typically wear, but just for you know, the video's purpose. We've got sea salt Cornwall there for £9.50. It does say marked on it. Use this £4. Unsure, unbranded. Principal's dress there, quite a little fancy number for £6. Let's get in with this one. Who's this? It's a motel dress, £3.75 in sale. Whole bunch of leggings and everything here. This is one thing I actually don't buy at the charity shops. I don't know why, it just kind of creeps me out a little bit. I'm sure they're fine once you give them a wash, as is everything, but it's just something again that I don't really do. So they're ranging from £1, okay, £4.48, but it's 50% off. What an odd price. It's peculiar. Got drawn to this top, just jewels with the Reiki but on. Much is that one? £5. Loader by George, £2.25. That isn't bad. That's pretty cool actually, isn't it? Got those little flowery buttons. I like that. I'm loving this little dish with the green edge around it. That's really pretty. I don't know the brand there, something Ironstone, but for £2.50 that's pretty good. This is very similar to the quarter zip that I have on. This one here is the night one that I got in the Otstan. This one's just Tesco, but for £2.50, chuck that on with some leggings, you're off to a winner. Just in the men's section, yeah, it's that one. Fun quarter zip. Again, I'm really into just a quarter zip over leggings. It's so comfortable. So another one with both of them in here. This one's a Land's End one for £4. Barg. We've got this funky one. This is like a golf shirt. Where's the brand? Oh, it's Land's End again, and £5 on that one. This feels like a nice sweater. Just a plain green Sainsbury's one for £4. I would wear that. Love a men's XL, just chucking it on, especially, like I said, over leggings. Like a bit of a retro look. Quite like that blue colour. Amazon Essentials. For some reason, that one's £6.50. Makes sense of that. I can't, but it is what it is. H&M. Get a little button down for £4. Look, I'm definitely in the right shop. All the camo hats fit right in. Did just spy that they have loads of jeans down here, and jeans was something that I have been on the hunt for my husband. So I'm just going to have a quick look through these. But in terms of pricing, £6, £5. So I'm just going to have a quick peek through these. So I just come out of Barnardos. I did make a couple of purchases in there. I didn't really film because it was so blooming quiet. I'm next making my way up. I think it's to the Cornwall Hospice one. I'm pretty sure they've rebranded because I think they used to be like bright green, but it seems to be yellow and green now. So I'll show you that a second. Do you see that? There's their new branding. I really like that actually. So that's always fun. Anyway, in here we go. Got loads of glassware in here. Not that I need it, but the prices are all really good. Between £1 to £3 a piece. You know me recently collecting my little buckets. Look at these ones. They have chickens on. 2 for £1. Little barg. Don't really know what I would do with those, but I do really like them. And this little basket. Swimwear basket. £1.50 for that. That's kind of cute, isn't it? M&S little Harry Potter collaboration denim jacket. Hogwarts. How much is that? £2.50. Oh no, £2. I misread it. Yeah, I've made my way into the Cornwall ambulance. Look at this pig claw. It's a bit of a goofy pig. How much is it? £3. That's definitely handmade, isn't it? Like the funny things you can find. Oh, look at those. Oh, they're resin. I thought they were going to be stone. £2.50. I hate those. I don't usually say stuff like that. Bit of a fairy girl there on a unicorn. Oh, that's a bit heavier. What is that? £10. It's got that look. Got the gorgeous embroidery on these little linens. I love having a look through the linens, seeing what vintage fabric I can find to do upcycles with, as you guys know. Beautiful. Look at the edge detailing on that one. We've got some lace back here on the tablecloths. Oh, we've got some nice bits, to be fair. It's a nice lacy tablecloth there. We've got one with some Spanish dancers on. So many gorgeous things, very like cottagecore-esque. Some napkins there with some flower embroiders on. Embroiders? Don't think that's the right word. Embroidery. This here's given me all the throwbacks. You know, the sun. It's funny the things you find at the charity shops and you're like, oh, I remember that. That's one of those things. Sussex dyes. I have not seen these in a while. Do you know what? I still have a big shot Sussex. These are £7.50. Look at all the stuff that you get in there. So you can make like your own cards and everything like that. But £7.50, I would have killed for that before. What's this? Little crochet doily doll. And loads of little pots. Good for your crafts. £2.50. That's not bad. There they are, look. Our royal family. Just come across this cute little bag. How nice is that? Little Laura Ashley. It's a faux leather though, and £7.50. I think it's a bit much for me, but it's very nice if you're on the hunt for that sort of thing. Some real Crocs for, again, £7.50. The same as the bag. I picked up this. How cool is that? It's like a little tennis dress sort of beach cover up. It's 100% cotton from Moda International, but it's only £2.50, and I think that's so cool. I tell you what, I've never seen so many bedside tables before in one shop. Wonder what the story is behind this, because they've got all those and all those. They're £30 a piece, which isn't bad at all, but I wonder why they have so many. That is like 12, 13 of them, all the exact same. Lots of beds and stuff up here. Again, a wardrobe in the same sort of colourway. Maybe it was like an Airbnb or something. What is that? £80. This is actually a really cool bed, especially for a kid with all that storage. Or it's got, or is it a pull-out bed? I think it's a pull-out bed underneath. £1.50. Again, I don't think that's too bad. I don't know the prices of new beds, but I think that's pretty good, right? Nice little bunk bed. I used to have one like this. There are even more. Why? A car bed now. Look at that. £70 on that one. And a desk in that same colour. So I am home now with my big bag of stuff. I did buy a few things whilst I was out. I also picked up a vintage parcel, so that needs opening in just a second. I think I shared this in the shop. Roman, come back. He's got a cone on today. Yeah, so this here is just like a crocheted little kind of summer dress. How cool is that? It's got these like little scallop bottoms. I don't know what it was about this. I thought it was really cool. It's Moda international, I assume, and it's 100% cotton yarn on there. But I just thought that's so cool, almost like a little tennis dress, and I just, yeah, I don't know, I really liked it. I was drawn to it, and it was only £2.50 in the air ambulance store, so bargain. I then picked up this little frame in the air ambulance store as well, a very Y2K. I thought that was cool. £2, cannot go wrong. It's got little rhinestones on there as well, and yeah, what like a little throwback. I also picked up this t-shirt in the Cornwall Hospice Care, and this is just like a vintage like Australian Great Barrier Reef t-shirt. How cool is that? Really like it. It's got a little bit of glitter detailing on there on the screen print, and then this bit here, what does that say? Port Douglas, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Really cool, feels great. 100% cotton. There's the little tags there. It does actually have the brand new kind of tag there as well. Really cool. But yeah, love the colours of it. So bright and, I don't know, summery. I really like that. That was £5. Excuse me. Oh, lovely. Hi. Here you go. Did you miss me? Yeah. Good boy. Right, can you go back? Back. Good boy. Come on, lie down. I then picked up this IKEA T-Rex, partly because my niece absolutely loves dinosaurs, so, well, that is the reason. It's the IKEA Jatalik. Jatalik, is that? £2.50 that was. I thought that was great, so I picked that up. Look at it. Raw, I know. And then the last thing I picked up, which is actually the first thing I picked up, was the Le Creuset utensil holder. So I actually have one of these utensil pots in the kitchen. I've got like a creamy white colour one. It's like the cotton colourway. It needs a good clean on it, but there it is. Look, filthy, but it was only £1, so a good wash up on that. I think that's gonna be a good buy. And yeah, £1. I think mine cost about 20 something, which I ended up getting from TK Maxx anyway at a reduced price. Are you all right? Are you so excited? So excited I'm here. Yeah, but vintage. Now let's open this up, see how this is looking. So it is a bag, a Cath Kidston bag. Look at this. Tell me this wouldn't be absolutely great for going out and about doing charity shop videos. Like, I could put all my stuff in there. And yeah, love this. It's like one of their old florally printed ones. How gorgeous is that? Oh, that's a rather large stain on there. Didn't know that was there. Ah, they did not tell me that. Ew. Oh, that's gonna need a good wash. To be fair, I could probably get that out. It's fine. It's just a bag, isn't it? It only cost me a couple of quid, so it is what it is. But yeah, very nice quality on there. Big handle. You could always go as like a crossbody, couldn't you, with that? Oh, cute. I love it. Very boho, country cottage-esque. And yeah, nice and big. Lots and lots of room in there for all of my goodies, but it could definitely do with a good wash. So I need to get that into the wash ASAP with all of my other bits, but that's what I picked up for today's video. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Like I said, again, sorry I've been gone for a little while. I have been crafting and stuff like that in my spare time. I've been sharing some videos over on Instagram, so if you're on Instagram, then definitely check me out on there. It's just Chelsey Bow. Yeah, and I've shared a few crafts and stuff like that over there as well, so if you're interested in seeing that, then I have been over there too. But with all that being said, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another one.